Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials on darreno'neill.eu. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install CentOS 8 in VirtualBox. Okay, so to get started, I'm just going to click New here, and I'm going to type in CentOS 8 for my machine name. I want to give the machine at least 2 gigs of RAM, and I'm going to leave to create a virtual hard disk now, and I'm going to click Create. I'm going to give this a bit more than 8 gigs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it 32 gigs, and I'll say dynamically allocate it so the machine can grow, and I'm going to click create. Okay, so my machine's created here. So I'm actually going to click on settings now. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give the processor a little bit more. So I'm going to give it 2 processors, and I'm going to click OK. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just going to open up a new Google window here, and I'm going to search for CentOS 8. Okay, and I'll click on the download CentOS. And we're going to download the Linux DVD ISO. And we're just going to click for the one that's closest to me here, is this one here. And I will click on that and you can see the download will begin. So as you can see, this will take a couple of minutes, so I'll pause the video here while this is downloading. Okay, great. So we can see my CentOS ISO machine is finally downloaded here. So let me open up VirtualBox and let me click on settings again. And I'm going to come down to storage. And where we see empty here, I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click this little disk symbol here. And I'm going to click to choose a disk file. And we can see we have CentOS here. So let me click on that and click open and then click OK. Okay, so we now have our machine ready to go for our CentOS install. Okay, let me make this full screen here. And what I'm going to do is going to right click CentOS 8. I'm going to click start and I'm going to click normal start. And this should begin to boot up our CentOS 8 server for us here. Okay, I've pulled this across and we can see we have some options here. So let me just click on install CentOS Linux 8 and I'll hit return. Okay, it's important to note if your keyboard, if your mouse gets captured by the screen, just press the right control key and that will unlock your cursor. So right control on your keyboard and that will release your cursor. Okay, so we'll give this a minute now here to boot up and let me pause the video while it does. Okay, and I'll click continue. Okay, so it's looking for a couple of things here. So the installation destination, let me click this. I want to click that disk that we selected. And I'm going to leave it as automatic. Let's click it again because it's saying we haven't selected it. So leave it as automatic. I'm going to click done up here. Okay, then hopefully we should be able to begin our installation. So I'll click begin here. Let me set a root password. Now I'll set a reasonably weak password here, but obviously if you're using this in production, please do set a good strong password. Okay, I'll press done again and let me just create a user for myself, make myself administrator as well, and I'll set the same password and I'll click done and done again. Oh, passwords do not match. Let's click done and done again. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is going to start installing CentOS, so we'll just allow this to run and we'll come back here momentarily. Okay, great. We can see our machine is now installed CentOS. So one thing I want to do before we click this reboot button is I want to click on the settings up here. I'm going to come down to storage. I'm going to click on the CentOS disk image here. I want to click this little disk image here. I'm going to click remove disk from virtual drive and then click OK. So pretty much we just ejected the CentOS DVD. Okay, so let me just double click to bring this back and now I'll click reboot and the machine will begin to reboot. So I'll just pause the video here while it begins to reboot. Okay, so we're looking good here. So it's looking for me just to accept the license. So I'm going to say I accept the agreement. I will click done and I'm going to click finish configuration. So we'll just give this another moment here while this goes through this process. Okay, so if we click here and then we type our password in and we'll click sign in, we should now be brought to our CentOS desktop. Okay, so we're just getting this final configuration screen. So I'll just click next up here and I'm going to click next again. I'm going to turn off the location services. I'm going to click next. And I'm going to skip here for online accounts. I'm going to click start using CentOS. So that's it. We have now installed CentOS 8 on VirtualBox. Please do like and subscribe if you found it useful, and if you had any issues, please do comment below, and thank you for watching.